Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. Another really important part when it comes to the maintenance of your sprinkler system is actually checking your heads. Not checking them to see if they're actually spraying, but checking the height of them. So a lot of times we tend to ignore our irrigation system because if you're running it at the appropriate time, it's going off at night. You don't really see it, so you're not really familiar with what's happening. But you get situations like this. You can see this head back behind me, and maybe it's from constant mowing, maybe it's from a good healthy thick stand of St. Augustine, but for whatever reason, this head now is not popping out of the ground as high as it should. Therefore, it's not reaching grass as far away as it should. You can see it's just kind of spraying and geysering up around the base of the actual head. So we call it popping heads. It's part of your maintenance. A lot of times what you got to do is you got to take a little shovel, and you're going to have to actually lift the head of that the nozzle up, the housing if you will, to where whenever the system does run, the whole body has the opportunity to pop out of the ground a lot further, spray a lot farther, and reach more of your grass in other areas and prevent things like hot spots and areas that just aren't getting enough water. So hope that helps. If you got any questions, let us know. Look forward to hearing from you.